In this video, I'm going to show you how to change StrawPage URL. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go back from your site, if you're currently editing it, onto your home page, so your dashboard, just like this. And then from here, you want to find the StrawPage site. You want to edit the URL off. So as you can see, this one over here, this is my URL, so instantHowToYouTube.straw.page. But let's say you want to change this. Now, to do it, you want to select your site over here, and then you want to go to Settings. And inside Settings, you want to scroll down, and here it's going to say rename this site. So as you can see, this is my current site name. If I want to name this, instead of Instant How to YouTube, just IHT YouTube, I can click on rename this site. It's going to rename it, and then you have to refresh your dashboard by clicking the refresh button. And as you can see, it's completely changed it, and the link or the URL has also changed. If I click on this one, this is now my new URL, and this is my old site. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.